The iPhone 17 Pro might be an improvement to the iPhone 13 Pro Max, which has seemed out of date in terms of camera, weight, and size. The iPhone 17 Pro is likely to have a 48 megapixel telephoto camera, which will greatly improve zoomed in photographs and make them more vivid. The device's lower size and weight make it more portable and comfortable to use during extended phone talks. The Pro Max may have a longer battery life, but the iPhone 16 Pro already performs well, lasting around 16 hours in browsing tests. If the 17 Pro improves on that, it might be more than adequate for everyday use, especially now that the battery in the 13 Pro Max is showing symptoms of aging. The front camera on the iPhone 17 Pro is also likely to be increased to 24 megapixels, which will be a significant improvement for selfie enthusiasts. The 13 Pro Max's 12 megapixel selfie camera performs well in daytime, but quality suffers as lighting conditions deteriorate. A clearer, more contemporary selfie camera might make informal picture sessions more enjoyable and useful. However, there are trade-offs to be considered. The Pro Max may have a longer battery life, but given Apple's efficiency advancements, even the ordinary Pro model may beat what the customer now uses. The speculated makeover of the camera section with an island-style arrangement across the back of the phone may be a daring move, but the overall performance and features would make the phone seem new and exciting again. Finally, the iPhone 17 Pro is expected to be less expensive than the Pro Max, making it a more appealing alternative for consumers searching for a more cheap phone. Overall, the iPhone 17 Pro appears to have reached a sweet spot, providing better mobility, excellent cameras, increased performance, and all pro-level capabilities without being too big or expensive. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.